Raphael has the hiccups.
It's only one big time.
We're turning our attention to a cool, colorful structure that's part climbing toy, part garden art. Inspired by the iconic 160-foot tall Mickey's Fun Wheel, our team created this hand-welded, 8-foot-tall steel focal point for the art. Its bold colors should last and last, thanks to sun-tolerant automotive paint. Mickey and his yellow starbursts are made of expanded PVC, the sturdy stuff used in household plumbing. This is sunshine on a cloudy day. All right, Maggie, here comes Mickey.
Here comes Mickey.
Rotate. Rotate. I'm backing it up. Backing it up. Backing it up. All right, now you're right down. That is a Ferris wheel.
Wow. Now that's a statement piece. That says something.
Well done, gang. Well done. Big smile.
Nice work.
And now he's moving.
Well, all the big play structures are going in today.
So now he just doesn't have, it's not just hiccups.
Carrying out overgrown honeysuckle, planting a privacy wall of arborvitae and redbuds, and building this retaining wall to level out the slope toward the house. Today we're planting flowers to soften the look of the stone. But with ominous gray skies overhead, we're racing against time to get the job done. With a little blown-in topsoil,
Hey, you're blowing dirt in my foot.
and a lot of hustle, we knocked this out in about a half hour.
The landscapers say these will actually grow and kind of start to pool over the
Yeah,
wall.
it'll spill, so it'll, again, help soften that